guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be just a eye look or makeup tutorial on the eyes right here. In the video, everything is basically done. We're just focusing on the eyes today. Oh my god, I need to get my nails done. I actually had a really fun time creating this look because one, it's definitely out of the norm on this channel. My lord. One, it's definitely out of the norm on this channel. Two, it's just really cute and I am feeling myself 110%. Let me keep it short and sweet. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also give this video a thumbs up. That way I know you guys like these types of videos. Also my Etsy shop will be linked down below, and let's just get into this video. Hey guys, welcome back. So let's just jump into this video after I take my gulp of water. The face is practically already done. We just need to do the eyes and add a little bit more. So going into the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, I'm going to first think that I'm going to pick up this shade called Burnt Orange, but I actually changed my mind and I'm going to pick up the shade above that. And I'm going to go in with the fluffy brush and begin to just apply this kind of all over the lid. Because it is a light orange shade, I definitely wanted to apply this all over the lid just to have a little bit of a good base there. I did put some transition loose setting powder, but I just wanted to add this eyeshadow shade down because we're going to be playing with some bold colors today. Jumping right into the Morphe 3502 palette, picking up the red shade in here, and we're just going to jump in, honey. We're just going to go in with this shade. I do pick up a little bit, and because red is a bold shade to work with, I definitely want to go in with a little bit and then build it up versus going in with too much and then trying to make it work. So I'm just going in with the shade here, blending it into my crease and my transition shade, kind of just putting it everywhere that I normally would. The outer corner, the crease, transition shade, putting it everywhere. Take your time with this shade because it can get a little bit out of hand with it being such a bold color. So I go in with a little bit, pat some of the pigment off, and then go in. Don't worry though if it looks a little cray-cray, we are going to blend it out. But just as a reminder, take your time to blend this shade. Don't go in too heavy, but bitch, a girl was loving this look already, and it's just the second shade. Then going into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, picking up this shade here called Alert, I believe, and we're going to blend out the shade, the red shade. So we're just going to take a fluffy brush and blend out the edges of that shade. I wanted this look to be more red, so I'm just going lightly in with the Alert shade and just really lightly blending it out just to make it look a little bit more effortlessly, because we don't want it to look crazy with chopped lines, harsh lines. We definitely want to blend it out. So just keep going back and forth until you get the nice blendedness. Jumping into the 3502 palette, picking up the red shade again on a more tapered brush. I'm just going to focus this color into the crease. Going back and forth. We really want to deepen up the crease color. Now that we have the red shade down, we can deepen it up a little bit more. So just, again, take your time with this shade. Just going back and forth until you get the depth that you're looking for, that you want. But again, take your time. This is a deep color. So go in with a little bit more and then add a little bit more and keep adding until you are satisfied with what you got, girl. Then I decided I'm also going to do a halo look with this eye. So I take the same red shade and just put it in the inner corner of my eye, as well as focusing it on the outer corner. Back in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, we're going to pick up this deep red shade here. And I'm just going to focus this color on the outer V and also the inner corner of my eye to create that halo look, or to add to the halo look. Definitely want to focus this color on the outer V I put a little bit into the crease, but not much. Just lightly blending everything out, deepening it up, so that way we have some depth in the outer corner. For the lid, I'm going in with the ColourPop Zodiac with Kathleen Lights collection. This is the rose gold one, I believe, in astrology or constellation, I believe, one of those, and putting this on the lid. This color literally gives me life. It speaks to me on a whole nother level because the glitteriness, the metallicness, the rose goldness just added what I needed to this look. I absolutely adore this color here. With this Super Shock Shadow, I believe it's called, you just want to lightly apply it and then build it up as well, just like you've been doing, but it's good. Then just taking that red shade again from the 3502 palette by Morphe, and we're going to blend out the metallic shade with the red shade on both on the outer corner and the inner corner. We don't want any harsh lines. We definitely want to make it look like it's seamless and effortlessly and they all blend together. So I'm just lightly tapping over where the metallic meets the red. That way it's nice and blended. We don't have any harsh lines. Going back into that orange shade from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette from her Vault collection. I believe this one's called Ring the Alarm. But we're just going to blend out the bottom lower lash line with that shade. So first we're going to add it as our transition color, and then we're going to go in with some red shade, but we definitely want to add a good base down on our lower lash line instead of just going directly in with the red shade to make it look a little bit more nice. Then picking up the same red shade that we've been working with, and this is on an e.l.f. brush. We're going to focus this color on the outer or on the lower lash line and just build it up as we go. Definitely felt like it made this look pop a little bit more by adding the red in the lower lash line to pull this look all together. For liner, I'm going to go in with the Morphe Jet Black or Dark Room liner, and I'm going to tightline the upper waterline as well as the lower waterline as well. You could definitely use a lighter liner if you would like, but I felt like the black eyeliner made this look stand out a little bit more and also made my eyes pop. Then lashes are already on and set to go. Now for lips, we are going to go in with the ColourPop Scorpio Moon by the Zodiac Collection, or in the Zodiac Collection by Kathleen Lights. This is a perfect nude for this look. I didn't want to do something outrageous because the eyes are the focus of this look. So definitely this lip color made everything come together nice and good. To set my face, I'm going in with the Morphe Mist Setting Spray, and I'm just going to fan it out with my hands and let the goodness sink in. Thank you guys all for watching. That is it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Once again, hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.